Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? I hope you are having a great day. It's a beautiful day out here, and in today's video we will be looking at a photocopy of the Cala AI robot, a photocopy of the sabrinascala.com website. As you already know, the Sabrina Scala, popularly known as the Cala AI robot, crashed some time ago, and they have been coming up with a lot of stories for their participants. They first told their subscribers that they should reinvest 30% of any amount of money that they have in the platform in order to be able to withdraw 100% of the money they had. I did a video on that, warning my subscribers not to fall for that scam, and most people listened and they did not fall for the scam. So they came again and brought a notice and said everybody should be patient, that they are teaming up trying to come up with a solution in order for people to withdraw their money. But while people were waiting for them to come up with a strategy on how to withdraw their money, these guys smartly opened another website and have started cashing out again from unsuspecting subscribers. But just in case, so we are going to dive into that platform and show you everything you need to know. But just in case you don't know, my name is Richard and I want to welcome you to our channel. Thank you very much if you've been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please click on this subscribe button. It's completely free. Nobody's going to charge you a dime. Click on this subscribe button, then click on this notification bell and click all, so that anytime I make a video either reviewing a platform or talking or telling you how to make money both online or offline, or talking about either dollar or crypto arbitrage in general, you will be the first to get notified. And also please click on this like button to like this video. This will help the channel so that YouTube can be able to recommend this video to some other people, so that together we can eliminate online fraud in so many businesses right now. So guys, let us quickly jump into the video. So this website is called Robotwallet.net. This is the platform that was just opened recently by the same operators of Cala AI Robot. So I just registered an account here so that I can be able to show you guys everything. If you first notice, you will realize that they chose the same colors with Sabrina Scala. As you can see, this is Sabrina Scala, so they chose the same color with them. That's enough indication to show you that they are the same people. Then when you register, let me show you how the platform works. First of all, you start the investment here, the first investment here. When you click on it, you choose the amount you want to pay, which is usually a 30 USD, and it has a validity of 1 day. As soon as you click and pay, you have bought the robot. So I'll quickly review the other robots here so that you can see that it is the same people who operated the Cala network that is still operating this one. So look at their robots. They have the experienced robot, which costs 0.10. Then you need a startup capital of $9.90. That means in general you need a $10 to be able to buy these experienced robots, and its validity is just for 7 days. Now they also have the Christmas robot, just as you can see. So the Christmas robot, the price is $1. The validity is 3 days. The startup capital is 9 days, is $9, and the estimated daily income is $2. They also have the Robot One. The Robot One, the price is $2. The startup capital is $30. That means you'll be needing $32 for this. The estimated daily income is 0.45. Then the validity period is 30 days time. So they also have Robot 2. They have Robot 3, Robot 5, Robot 5. So guys, can you remember the dashboard of Cala? Can you remember this is exactly what Cala promised its participants? Just exactly, there's no difference. The robots, the robot number 1, the robot number 2, and the rest of them. This is exactly Cala, guys. Can you see it? This is the transaction. Enter, click to enter the share invitation. If you want to share this your link to your referrals, this is where you click. This is the recharge button. This is the withdraw button, online service. And just, guys, can you see this is exactly Cala AI Robot. Now let me show you guys another thing. I went to the internet to look for more reviews about this robot wallet, and I realized that I could barely see any review. In fact, there were no reviews about it at all, outside few YouTubers who have already done a video on it. Then I went to who.ace. I just realized that this website was registered on the 12th of 09/2002, which was about the time that Cala network crashed, and it was updated. That means this platform just started on 26th of October 2002. That is a few days ago. So you can see this is about exactly the same time that they told you to be patient, that they are trying to come up with an idea, but because they already know that many people are aware that Cala is a scam and people are no longer ready to input more money, so they went and updated this site that they got last month. And as you can see, this site had just a validity of one year, because they know that in a few months they'll be packing up with people's money. So guys, as you can see, this site is a Ponzi site, and currently they might be paying for now, but before the next 2-3 months they are going to pack up and people are going to lose their money. Thank you guys for watching my video to the end. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and also watch the other videos on my playlist. Thank you, and see you again in my next video.